Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again at the Forex market. So yesterday it was absolutely explosion on the inflation report, and not occasionally we have warned you that on the daily chart we have bullish context, we do not have the bearish signs yet, and call to wait and see what will happen on the data release. Once again, as it was just recently before this upward action, recall what we talked about. Here was multiple grabbers. We have talked that this price action is not really, well, normally typical for bullish performance to chop in slow and heavy, but market was keeping the bullish context, and as a result we've got this upward action. Yesterday, once again, technical picture tells that it always better to not go against it. Whatever you think on the fundamental background, whatever you expect on the numbers, if you see bullish context and if your analysis tells that you prefer to go short, do not argue with the technical picture. So wait and see what will happen. It will be either confirmed, I mean your analysis, or you understand that you were wrong, and the technical picture will just go in a direction that it suggests. So, and that has happened recently. So I don't want to say that we knew what really will be and that we were expecting some smaller CPI. Absolutely not. But within the few sessions we said that this action is not bearish. So speaking about CPI numbers itself, our view is that it's a bit emotional overreactions because mostly CPI was the same. And I just tell you one thing. We will take a look at it in more details in the weekly report as usual, but the one thing stands so. Decide by yourself whether the deflation that we see currently and simultaneous rising of the unemployment is good stuff for the market or not. Deflation itself replicates and shows the drop on the consumption in the current situation. And with the rising unemployment, hardly it could become the really announcement of really good time in the United States economy. That's what investors have to think about. But currently we just see really short-term reaction. This market see nothing except the numbers and coming maybe dovish Fed policy, although I think that hardly it will happen. So sentiment very soon could change, but at the current moment we have really big thrust in upward momentum. In the current situation, it makes no sense to consider taking the short position by far. We see what will happen. Market is not at the bad, it still has room to go higher. And here actually to the upside we have the only single target. It's XOP around 109.15 area. It makes an agreement with the 109.60 fib level, the last fib level. And also this trend line here on the weekly chart, you could also see it. So why is this area is really, well, interesting? It's just because these guys takes off all the questions concerning the bread and butter on the weekly chart. Because in fact, this is the last point where the bread and butter could start. If it will not start and market will just break it up, then it's just will not start at all. The bread and butter either will start right from here, or it will never start at all. So because this is last fib level from the whole downward action, and we will see what for reaction. Still, for today performance, we should not expect too much. It's just because market probably will try to complete the XOP and start flirting around this range, around this agreement area. That's probably will take today, tomorrow session. And then we will see what will happen. So investors need to sleep with the recent CPI numbers. Also, we get retail sales tomorrow. PPI numbers we also will get. So we'll see what will happen. But probably the major conclusion of the current data and analysis of the data will happen after the weekend. So investors will understand that it's not really positive in general, not very positive sign, and situation could change. But meantime, we suggest that market will climb slightly higher and will coil around this area. On the lower time frame, guys, I see nothing really that could be commented. On the 4 time frame chart, you could see what has happened. Just breakout of the pennant, nothing, no patterns, nothing at all. On the hourly chart, the same. So we have thrusting action. This is not the double repull because we do not have sufficient number of candles to the upside. This first moment. Second, overall performance of this, it doesn't relate to the normal performance of the double repull pattern. It's more like the sideways consolidation. So markets are just waking up, and probably we will get some upward action later. So from that standpoint, I do not see something really interesting for trading right now. So let's keep watching. When the market will complete these targets and increment resistance area, we will see what will happen.